Welcome to the embedded system class. In this class, I am going to explain about design matrix of embedded system. So a design matrix is a measurable feature of the system's performance, cost, time for implementation and safety, etc. So what is a design matrix means? It is a measurable features of system's performance. So how much performance, the performance of the embedded system, what is the cost and the time taken for implementing that device, it is either it is we can maintain its safety or not. So all these measurable features are comes under design matrix. So the main one is power dissipation, performance, processor deadlines, user interface, size, engineering cost, manufacturing cost, flexibility, prototype development time, time to market. So these are the some of the features of in design matrix. So first point is power dissipation. So mainly embedded systems features are two features: performance and low power consumption. So any embedded system power dissipation means how much power it consumes. So power is very less power consumption devices are allowed. Second one is performance. Performance is depends upon how fast our device is, how many number of instructions per second it executes, what is the clock speed. So what is the performance means how fast our device is comes under this. So third one is process deadlines. So deadline means within how much of time we can finish our project is project deadlines. Fourth one, user interface. So either it may be user interface or not. Fifth point is size. Size means so memory size. What is the size of RAM? What is the size of ROM? So we use EEPROM and flash memory, and we use RAM memory. So RAM memory is used to store data, whereas ROM is used to store instructions. And here we study about size of the RAM and ROM memories. And 2 points, cost, engineering cost and manufacturing cost. Engineering cost is nothing but how many are working on that system and how much of salary we are giving to those engineers, right? So to prepare any one embedded system, we need some engineering team. So for that engineering team, how much of salary we are spending comes under engineering cost. So next cost is nothing but manufacturing cost. So manufacturing cost is, so after preparing, after preparing all this embedded system kit, how much cost is taken. So that is manufacturing cost. To manufacture that device, how much we spend is nothing but manufacturing cost. So next 8th point is flexibility. How flexible our device is nothing but, so our embedded system is, so whatever the embedded system is manufacturing, that should be very flexible. So next one, 9th time is prototype development time. So we have given some deadline. In some processor, in sometimes we can manufacture, we can prepare that device within the time period or below the time period or above the time period. So deadline is comes under deadline with on what time we will going to prepare. Development time is nothing but, so after how much of time it taken to prepare that device is development. After finished, the time taken to finish that device is comes under prototype development time. So next 10th one is time to market. So within the time we can release that in market or not is comes under time to market. So these are the different points in design matrix of an embedded system. Power dissipation, it should consume low power. Performance, the performance is very high. Compulsorily the performance of any embedded system is very high. Process deadline, we will give some deadline to finish that embedded system. And user interface, we can connect multiple devices, or it is user interface or not. Size is nothing but memory size, RAM and RAM size. Engineering cost, how many engineers are work on that system, how much salary we are giving, that is engineering cost. Manufacturing cost, after completion of that device, how much we spent is manufacturing cost. Flexibility, so is the device is flexible or not. Prototype development time, within the so what is the time taken to develop that devices, overall time taken to develop that devices, development time, and within the time period we release that the device in the market or not. These are the different design matrix. Thank you so much.